Hi, welcome to Aureus ERP. In this video, we will walk through the activity type in sales module of Aureus ERP. You will see how to create and manage activity types that help businesses to manage sales activities such as calls, meeting, follow-ups, and upload files. That helps you to track your customer interaction and streamline your sales process. After logging, you will see here all the plugins. I already installed this sales plugin, so I'm going here. Just click on the sales plugin. From the dashboard, go to the configurations. Click on the activity type. You can see here all the existing activities. For make a new one, just click on the new activity type. Fill out these details, activity type. Select the required action like upload files, default phone calls. So for now, I'm selecting this default user. Summary like like this. Attach any notes, delay information like if there is a gap between the existing activity and that one before it, delay unit. Now move to the delay form after previous activity deadline, or you can select after complete date. Now advanced settings, select the icon. You can select from these list. For now I'm just selecting this. Now move to the decoration type like alert or errors. Chaining type, suggest next activity, redirect you to the suggest section. You can select from this, and if you select triggered next activity, you need to select from the trigger. Now status and configurations, you can active or inactive the status and keep done activities. Just click on the create. You can see the activity, and if you want to attach this activity like for quotation or orders, just click on the quotations. Go to the quotation. Now click on the chatter box. Now go here, schedule activity. Just click on this and go to this activity type and select the call. Select the date. For example, I'm taking this summary and assign to. This is the internal person, so I'm assigned to this person. You can attach internal notes and just click on this schedule activity. Now you can see the activity type call assigned to the person name and due date due in 5 days. Now when you click on this button, and you can cancel this activity, edit activity, and if you click mark as done, you can attach any feedback like good and done and schedule next or done. So and click on the done. Now you can see here activity marks ads done, call done, client call, and original note, and you can see this information. Well, that's all about the activity type feature in Aureus ERP. I hope you found this helpful. In case you have any doubts, then do reach out to us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.